What's going on? After a year-long hiatus due to the coronades, we are back on our way to WISPAPALOOZA. Out of tradition, I booked a room at the wonderful Circus, you know, Feet and Weed. Doing that again, because why not? My room was, no joke, $19 a night. Hey, why not, right? I can deal with some Feet and Weed for 19 bucks a night. Even after taxes and fees and all that crap, it was still crazy cheap, so I kind of liked staying there anyway, but it was definitely stinky. Hopefully that's not a part of it this time, but aside from that, I'm of course flying the amazing JSX. Highly recommended if they fly anywhere that you fly to or from. Definitely got to give it a shot. It's the only way to fly. I got here way, hey, it's a Southwest flight. You guys are flying still. Good job. For those of you who don't know, Southwest is having some issues right now. Anyway, I got here way early. I got tired of sitting around the house waiting, so stand by. Some gents. There it is. There it is. Oh, not bad.
Wow.
Not bad. I'm impressed. Hell yeah. Look at all the trees. Look at the trees. Nice. Okay, apparently they do a bus now. Well, as promised, it is definitely windy as shit. Oh shit. You ever seen a helicopter being put on a freaking flatbed? Well, you have now. If I can get it to zoom. That's kind of hilarious, sort of. So yeah, I got delayed in Phoenix for like an hour. And let me get you out of the wind a little. It is definitely windy as shit. Oh yeah. Got my little wind-free corner where I can keep an eye out for the Uber. Okay, anyway, like I was saying, it wasn't so much that it was windy and it was delayed that it was annoying. Because, I mean, yeah, it's annoying, but you can't do anything about the weather. The thing that was kind of annoying was like the way that they dealt with it, because we were already all on the plane, ready to push back, ready to roll, and they were like, oh yeah, by the way, we all had to get off the plane. And I'm like, really? Kind of annoying, because it's not like they didn't know, you know, half an hour ago that it was freaking windy, but whatever. Is that me? No, he's driving away. Anyway, finally made it to Vegas, and yeah, it's definitely windy, as I'm sure you saw by now. So two things I realized that are downsides when flying JSX. The first being the plane size. It's a smaller plane. You're not on a 747, you're not on a 777, you're on a relatively, I mean, even smaller than a CRJ. You're on a pretty small plane. If you're flying into somewhere windy like this, and this is the first time I've ever had to deal with it, it's gonna be pretty bumpy. So I took video. That being said, the pilots were freaking amazing. So good on them. It was actually a pretty damn smooth landing. There's my ride. here we go. Is it gonna be Feet and Weed episode 2? We shall see. Come on, turn around. Turn around. Thank you. Oh, it's nice. Oh, fantastic. Thank you guys. I appreciate it. Okay, so room tour. It looks basically the same as the other room. Except for this one doesn't reek of feet and weed, which is good. They said it doesn't have a view, which I don't really care about anyway. You can see the convention center. I mean, view of what? I don't know what they're expecting to... I don't know exactly what they're expecting to get an amazing view of, but that being people that stay here, I don't know what the hell they're... This is not a place you stay if you want a good view, because you're kind of away from everything. All the shit's that way. So it's like, why you can't see the strip. Like, it's not a thing here. I don't know what the hell. If you want a view, don't stay here. Anyway, at least the room's nice, especially considering what the hell I paid for it, which is almost nothing. And it doesn't stink. So, yeah. I even told the dude as I was checking in, if it doesn't smell like feet and weed, and I don't have to walk 8 miles to get to it, it'll be 100% improvement over last time. And that it is, because no joke, the elevator is just right in like the normal lobby this time. So yeah, good stuff. Congrats. Circus, 100% improvement. All right, so 3 shots of Turkey 101 and 2 Stone IPAs in, we start the night. Let's go see what trouble we can get into. Bloody Mary. Oh, it's so windy. So, where I'm wanting to go, let's see, can we make this work? There we go. I'm wanting to go to the taco place. Oh, this is not where I was thinking. Oh no, I gotta go back through. All right, well, here we go. All right, we're out front. I don't know what the hell they're building here. Really? Zoom, there you go. Gee, like that made a big difference. But yeah, I don't know what the hell that is. Another shopping center or something? Like, what even is that building? I don't know if that was even there before. I have no idea. We're gonna go over and get some tacos. That's what I want. Tacos El Gordo. Place is freaking nuts. Even their reviews, it's like, are you serious? Is this real? Very well deserved. It's an amazing place. The line is usually around the freaking building, so we're gonna see how the line is, but we're gonna start the night there and see what happens. Yes, tacos. So yeah, I refused. Oh, you're good. You're good. Go ahead. Nah, it's so good. This place is amazing. Like it's such a unique place. I mean, where else do they do this?
I don't know.
Exactly.
Mexico.
Exactly. Exactly. Oh yeah. Oh, I'm telling you, like it's just so good. So good. I managed to make it happen. It was yeah. You got to go later and just kind of get it. It's so good. No joke. Thanks to the wind, the only survivor of the trek home is this lowly taco. May we love him and bless him. It wind sucks. So yeah, I refused. At this point, it's been almost 2 years of this shit, and I'm not doing it anymore. Unless I absolutely fucking have to, I'm not doing it. It's gotten to a point where it's like making somebody wear a cross that they don't want, or hell, even a swastika, or a whatever. Like I'm done. It's a political symbol at this point, and this city's so fucking left-wing and just stupid at this point that yeah, everywhere you go here, everyone's wearing like all these, God love you, all wearing masks, every single one of them. Why? Isn't everyone vaccinated at this point? Like, what the hell is the point? Yet everywhere I go in this dumb bitch, even 2 years later, in Las Vegas, Sin fucking City, we got dumbasses wearing fucking masks. It's unbelievable. And I'm done. I refuse. Gotta do it to get on a fucking plane, cause federal horse shit or whatever. But even that, I'm like, it ain't going over my nose, cause no, I don't fucking want it to. You see this? This is freedom for everyone. That whole life, liberty, and pursuit of happiness, the whole liberty part, yeah, liberty. You know what liberty means? The freedom to choose. And I choose no. Fucking sick of this.